let's take a look at the custom planner spreads I made for my patrons this month. The top 2 tiers on my Patreon get custom spreads in the mail from me each month. Team Wallace gets just a general custom spread, but Team Bumble gets a spread where they can tell me anything and I'll make it for them. And I try my very hardest to make something that they will love. I love doing this for them and I love the spreads I made this month. So first we're going to start with Team Bumble, which is the highest level, like I said, and the big spreads. The first spread is for Nicole. Nicole asked for a big happy planner spread. She said I could do whatever I want, but she hinted that she was ready for fall, so I made her a fall spread. You may have seen this video on YouTube. I did post this, and yeah, I love this so much. I love it. It's the squad girls, you know, hanging out in the park. I called it Autumn in the Park. Throughout these spreads, some of these will get Bumbles. So if you're new to my channel, that's my dog, Bumble. And some of the spreads will have Bumble stickers in them. They're from Proud Sticker Designs. Nicole Proud makes custom pet stickers. If you're interested, I will leave it in the description box. But I love my Bumble stickers and I space them out. So not everybody gets one every month, but Nicole got one because, you know, Team Bumble usually gets them because they're the top tier. Look how cute these girls are. If you didn't watch that video, you can go back and watch that. But I love this one so much. I had a really good time with this. I'm not ready for fall in my planner yet, you guys, but in other people's planners, yes. The next spread, oh my gosh, I think the next spread might be my favorite of the month. I'm not sure. This is one of my favorites. But the next spread is for Cindy. So Cindy asked for a groovy/retro spread, and this is what I did. Oh, I love it. I love this one. I printed out these images. I actually bought them on Etsy. I used the Teacher's Rule sticker book for the rest of the stickers, and it just has a 70s vibe, don't you think? I took forever making this spread, but I think at the end it is worth it. I'm really pleased with this one. And I called it Can You Dig It? This next one is also one of my favorites. I might do a video on this or it might just be a TikTok, but I did film it. It's for Gianna. She asked for a Disney Haunted Mansion theme. And I didn't know what to do, but I really love how it turned out. So I basically just found some free images online and printed them out and then added black boxes. I also used the Wrong Halloween sticker book. And I added little Mickey Mouses in here and there to make it still Disney. I added the ones that he looks scared, but yeah, I think it turned out adorable. I love it so much, and I hope Gianna loves it. I called it Ghoulish Delight. Can you find Bumble? So throughout this, there will be hidden Bumbles. You'll have to look for them. That's our game. The next one's for Alex. Alex requested a plant spread, and you guys know I love to do those. And this one's really, really cute. It turned out really nice. I love the color combo. And I tend to work a little bit harder on the Team Bumble spreads just because they're paying me a lot more money. So sometimes they get more intricate spreads. Not that this one really is, but sometimes they'll get specialty things. You know what I mean? But anyway, this is so cute. I used the Plant Mama sticker book from Live Love Posh for most of this, I think. I also used Functionally Chic Green Blooms, Pastel Basics from Kellofaplan, and Squad Life. Wait, I used Squad Life? I guess for these. I must have had it out doing another spread or something and I just saw that color. I love layering washi tape lately, so I'll put like a solid color underneath and then a pattern on top, and I think it turns out really cute. Okay, that's it for Team Bumble for the big. I have one more Team Bumble member, and that is Megan. She uses a classic, so let me show you that one real quick. The reason there's less Team Bumble members now is I limited the number. I limited the number because I don't have as much time. So I ended up limiting it, I think, to 4 people. When my life calms down a little bit, I will probably bump that back up. But for now, it's a low number so that I'm not stressed. I'm trying to avoid stress, you guys. Okay, let's show you Megan. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. I love this one. Wait till you see this one. Okay, this is called Feline Peachy. It's a pun. Wait, let me just do a little boop. Okay, Feline Peachy. The reason I called it Feline Peachy is because there's peaches, obviously, but there's hidden cats. And I asked Megan, can you find all the cats? Well, can you guys find all the cats? You have like 2 seconds. Leave a note in the comments how many cats you see. I hid them. I mean, obviously in plain sight, but it was kind of fun, like hiding the cats around. And I love this color combo. I think it's really cool. Let's move on now to Team Wallace spreads in the classic Happy Planner. Let's see what we got here. Okay, this one is for Michaela, and Michaela likes neutral colors, so I decided to do a fall spread for Michaela. One thing you guys are going to see in this video is that some people got fall spreads, some people did not. And the reason is fall's not here yet. Even though they'll probably be using this in September, it's still not here yet. So quite a few people still got either summery spreads or just a general, not seasonal spread. But some of them did get fall because I was excited with my new fall sticker books, and I just wanted to use those and have fun with it. So Michaela got a fall spread, and I really like this one because I used I used Wrong Hello Fall. But the reason I love this one is that there's these washi tape strips here, and I just sort of made them as a little background for the girls, and I really like how that turned out. I called this one Fall Fashion. Next up is Donna. So I used Archer and Olive products for this. This is all Archer and Olive. I used the Mayflowers planner theme box that I think came out in June, and I really like this. I think it's interesting. I did, the ripped paper and stuff like that. It's just a fun look. I also used mega colorful boxes to get the foil boxes, but I think it's so cute. And I called it And All at Once, Summer Collapsed into Fall. This one is for Bev. It's called Summer's End, and I did make a video for this one, so you guys can check that out if you missed it. Almost all of this is from the new Planything sticker books, but this is from the washi tape shop, and then this is Archer and Olive paper, but I think it's so cute. I love this one. This one was a Patreon video. My patrons of a certain level get exclusive videos every week, and this was one of those. And I called it Autumn Begins. It is for Shirley. I used that really thick wall washi tape from the Happy Planner that came out a couple of years ago. And then I believe these are Kellofaplan. I didn't write it down, but I think these are from the Kellofaplan, maybe the Fall Icon sticker book or something like that. So yeah, I think it's really cute. And there's a hidden Bumble. This one's for Ellen. I used the Kellofaplan Fall Icon sticker book and the Planything Autumn Leaves and Pumpkin sticker book. And then I threw in some dogs because I just thought that made sense. I know she likes dogs, so I threw them in. I just added them. You guys can name them in the comments if you want to. I did not name them because I wasn't talking to the camera. I was just making this on my own. I only name dogs when I'm talking to the camera. Yikes. But Bumble is in a place of honor with confetti around her. I kind of like this one because I have like the falling leaves on this side. It's sort of plain, and then I have a lot of boxes on this side. I don't really know why I did it that way. Sometimes I like it just to be different like that on each side. I think it's a cool look. So that's what I did for Ellen this month. All right, so now we get into the dashboard layouts. This is for Victoria. She likes Disney, and I decided to do a back to school Disney theme, and I used the Disney Oasis sticker book, and then this is Planything washi tape, and I also used the Brave Teacher sticker book. I really like this. I think the colors pair well together. It was a little bit tricky because of all the color differences in those books, but I think it turned out really cute in the end. I like how I put this splotch over here behind the buildings. I think that's really fun. So yeah, I'm having a lot of fun decorating the dashboard lately. I'm getting better at it. It's still a challenge for me, but I'm really kind of enjoying doing it. Okay, speaking of dashboard, we have another one. This one's for Shannon, and she likes the Squad Girls, so I did a fall spread for her with them. And yeah, it turned out really cute. We have some falling leaves and the little flowers. I love this down here because I have leaves falling and acorns falling off the tree, and then I made a little pile of acorns down there. That was fun. I call this Crisp Days. Oh wait, the last one was called Mickey and Minnie Go Back to School. Okay, this one is for Kathy. You guys might have seen this video. It was on YouTube. It's called Autumn is Here, and I used the new Kellofaplan Fall Icon sticker book for this one. Okay. So this next one is a horizontal layout. Marisol has been a patron for a long time. She was on Team Bumble. She's now on Team Wallace, but she uses a big happy planner, but she also uses a classic horizontal, and I've never done one of those for her, I don't think. And the reason is the horizontal is really tricky for me. So I decided this month to give Marisol a horizontal spread, and it was pretty difficult, but I did it. I did it. Look, how cute is this? So I used that modern Mickey and Minnie sticker book. It's very pale and kind of subtle colors. I used this washi tape because I like polka dots. Whoops. I like polka dots with my Disney spreads. It makes sense to me. These came from another sticker book. And which one was that? Oh my gosh. What did I write down? No, I did not. It was tricky balancing all the colors in the horizontal layout, but I did it. This might be a video coming up, just so you know. I'm not sure yet. It may be. Okay, so that is it for the classic spreads for Team Wallace. Now let's look at the big spreads for Team Wallace. I'm in love with this one. This is for Laura, and it's called Self-Care Squad. I just think this is so pretty. I don't know. I started with these girls, those big Mamby sticks, which, by the way, I just ordered 2 new packs of these because they're so cute, and Joann still sells them. So if you're ever interested in purchasing them, I always have my Joann affiliate link in the description box, but you can just search Mamby sticks on the Joann website and these will pop up. They're so cute. It's such a cute sticker pack. They're big, you know, but sometimes I like to throw a big Mamby sticker right in the middle of the spread just to make a big statement. I also used Happy Blooms. I used the Wellness sticker book, the purple one, for some of these, and I think I used some Kellofaplan boxes, but love this one so much. I love the flowers here. I think that's really cute. This one is for Tiffany, and I called it Just Bloom. I know that Tiffany likes the pressed floral sticker book, and I even wrote her a note saying that it feels very spring-like, and I didn't mean it to be that way, but I still love it. I make floral spreads all year round, you guys, and don't be afraid to do that. You really can just, you know, do what suits your mood. If you want to have springish spreads in like January, just do it. You know, it's your planner. You can do whatever you want. I threw in a bunch of self-care prompts in here, and I really like the feel of this one. It's very soothing and just very delicate and pretty, so I was really pleased with this. Okay, this is for Kelly, and I called this one Busy Florals. All of these stickers came from the Teacher Floral sticker book, which I have only used, I think, one time. And the reason is I thought it was like really difficult to make a spread that wasn't too busy. Now this does look busy, you know, that's why I call it Busy Florals, but I like how it turned out. I think overall it is not too busy. I think it's really well balanced. I used some Archer and Olive washi tape in there, and it just feels nice and, you know, flowery. I like it a lot. This one's for Ashley. I called it Parisian Plans. I used the Wrong Enchanté sticker pack, and I combined it with these washi tape stickers from the Green Oasis washi pack, I think, and that's from the washi tape shop. I just thought they felt very elegant, you know, so I combined them in here to add a pop of green throughout. I think it came out really cute. I know some of these are really stickery. I use a lot of stickers on some and less on others, but sometimes I sort of get carried away, especially in the big, but I always try to leave enough room for them to write, and at least like 1 box a day, typically with some white space in between. So I think it'll be okay for Ashley. But the other thing is they always tell me in their survey when they fill it out, they tell me how much they use their planner. They tell me sort of stuff about their lives, what they need in a planner spread, that kind of thing. So sometimes I'll add more stickers for the people who say that they're not that busy and it's mostly decorative for them. And so that's why some of them are really busy and others are less busy. That's kind of why, because I'm looking at their preferences when I'm making these spreads. This one is for Denise. Denise, I gave you a little bit more summer in your life and in your planner. I just thought this was fun. I don't know. Denise loves whimsical spreads, and this felt very whimsical to me. These are some older sticker books. Oh, Live, Love, Posh, Hello, Summer. That's not an older one. That's where these came from. And then the other stickers came from blue and pink student sticker books, which are older, but I still love those so much. I love using the student sticker books. They're just always so fun, and I don't know, whimsical. That's all I can say. Bumble's a flower. I called this one Blah 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 because of that. I really didn't know what to call this one. I like the color combo. I think it's pretty. Okay, this is the last one. I did another summer spread for Kristen, so I'm sorry, Kristen, your summer is not over yet in your planner. So this one's called Bumble's Paradise. You get 2 Bumbles, Kristen, because this is her paradise. This is where she's running around the beach with her ball and like eating leftovers from people's plates. She's doing all the dog things she's not allowed to do that she loves to do. This is like her dream vacation. Most of these stickers came from Planything Tropical Vibes sticker book, and this is Planything washi tape that went with it. The rest of it came from the Align sticker book, and the reason is I wanted to add black in here because of Bumble's face. There's like a lot of black in there, so that's why I added the black plaid, and then I added some black bits throughout, and those came from the Align sticker book. All right, so that is all the spreads this month. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite. I'm gonna run through them again really quick because I like to do this at the end so that you can vote. Nicole, Cindy, Gianna, Alex, Laura, Tiffany, Kelly, Ashley, Denise, Kristen, Megan, Michaela, Donna, Bev, Shirley, Ellen, Victoria, Shannon, Kathy, and Marisol. Let me know which one's your favorite, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. My Patreon is about so much more than just custom planner spreads. We have live stream plan with me's, we have Zoom calls, we have a Facebook group, giveaways, phone wallpapers, exclusive videos that you can't see on YouTube. We have tutorial videos, behind the scenes stuff. We have a fun community over there. So if you're interested in joining, you can go to patreon.com/planningwithbumble.